Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where wheels meet honesty. Today, we've got something absolutely massive, luxurious, and powerful to talk about. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Yes, you heard it right. The legendary W900, known for conquering highways as a long-haul beast, is now turning heads as a rolling luxury home on wheels. At first glance, this rig is nothing short of intimidating. That iconic long-nose front end is still here, shining in polished chrome, reminding you that this is not your average motorhome. It's a custom-built, heavy-duty king of the road. And while it still looks like it could pull 80,000 pounds of cargo, this W900 is hauling something way cooler, an entire luxury home. Step inside, and you're immediately hit with a wave of craftsmanship. The 2025 version features a full custom interior designed to compete with the best RVs and luxury coaches out there. Think hardwood flooring, leather recliners, and a smart entertainment system that would put many apartments to shame. There's a full-size kitchen complete with granite countertops, a convection oven, refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. And yes, there's a bathroom. Not just any bathroom, but one with a full shower, porcelain toilet, and modern fixtures. At the rear, you've got a master suite with a queen or even king-sized bed, depending on the configuration, full closets, and smart lighting. What's truly impressive is that despite all this luxury, the W900's power and drivability remain top-notch. Under the hood, you've got the updated Cummins X15 engine pushing out up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an Eaton 18-speed automated transmission, which makes cruising long distances smoother and less fatiguing, even for less experienced drivers. Driving this beast might seem intimidating at first, but thanks to modern driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and digital dash displays, it's surprisingly manageable. The air ride suspension smooths out bumps like a dream, and the high vantage point gives you unmatched visibility on the road. One of the best things about the W900 motorhome conversion is that it's built on a real-deal Class 8 chassis. That means reliability, long-term durability, and access to service centers across the country. Unlike many luxury RVs, this one is designed to run hard for hundreds of thousands of miles without skipping a beat. Now, let's talk numbers. A fully built-out Kenworth W900 motorhome can run anywhere between $450,000 to over $750,000, depending on the specs, interior customization, and extra features like slide-outs, solar panels, and onboard generators. Yes, it's pricey, but for someone who wants the best of both trucking and motorhome worlds, it delivers a unique experience that's hard to match. So, is the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome just a luxury flex? Or is it a serious option for full-time travelers, digital nomads, or retirees who don't want to compromise on power and comfort? I'd say it's both. It's bold, badass, and built to last. Let me know in the comments. Would you drive one of these across the country? Or is it just too much truck for a home on wheels? Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more brutally honest takes on the coolest rides out there. Until next time, keep it rolling and stay honest.